Team Amy, thank you for clicking to this vlog, and you are so much welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for taking time to watch this video, and trust me, check out other more videos. I have 100+ videos that you wouldn't want to miss. Yeah, so in this video I want to try out a certain recipe. I have realized most Nigerians, when they're cooking their sauce, they blend either spices, like they blend everything, starting from the onions, tomatoes, hoho, everything. So I want to try that out in one of the meals. I bought fish just right here. I just bought my fish. It's too oily. Ooh. So the fish is fried already. Here it is. Yes. So kuna mafuta mengi. It's already fried. Yeah. So I want to slice it in some pieces because it's big. It's very big, by the way. Yes. And then I'll also have to blend the tomatoes. I have this is dania. I don't know how you guys call it in English. And then I have my carrot. I have my green pepper. Then I have paprika. I have tomatoes. Yeah, I think that is all. Then I'll also add some few spices, but not a lot. So first thing first, let us slice the fish into some pieces such that we can have it in different meals, not only in one meal. So I'm done. I don't know if you guys can hear me. See, let me show you. Yeah, this is how I'll slice it. So I'll put it here. Then I'll have to clean my tomatoes. So normally when I blend tomatoes, I don't remove the peel. I don't peel off the outer skin. But if I'm not blending, I normally prefer peeling it off. So let me start with the tomatoes. The upper. So I'm going to use 2 tomatoes for that matter. So next I'm blending. I'm adding this. So only put this. The next thing is, I think I need to add more. I'll add another slice of hoho to make it half. Then carrot. So lastly, we are adding dania. Here we are. So I have my tomatoes, I have my onions, carrot, I have dania, and then I'm going to add some spices. Guys, I hope this comes out. Yeah, so paprika, very little because then I'm going to add curry powder. And also I'm going to add this Royco. And black pepper, little, very little. Like very, very little. And this I'll add at the end. So let's just put, this is a soy sauce. So I'm going to add some little water. To enable the blending. Now let's I want to put it where you guys can see. Put it here. Put it here. So it's time to blend. We are done with the blending, so I'm going to have to fry the onion alone once again. Where are you? Where? Let's get the onion here. So guys, what we are going to do is to turn on our gas. And then next we need some little cooking oil. We noticed that our fish has too much oil, so we are going to put very little to enable us cook. Let's wait for the saucepan to get dry. Our saucepan is ready. Let's now put the cooking oil. Like I said, we need very little just to enable us cook the kitungu, the onions. Very little. Meanwhile, drop in the comment section and tell me if you're doing this recipe with me. So I'm just half frying the onions. So next, I'm going to pour my spices. I think you can see they're all here. Now I'm going to leave them to get ready for some time, because of course our fish is already fried, it's ready, so we don't want it to over, and I don't know how can I call it, we don't want it to overcook. It's already cooked or fried. So I'm going to put this off, leave them for some minutes, and then they cook. So guys, next is we are putting our fish here, 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 and here. So yes, our fish is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it out and give me or tell me how it has been on your end. Yeah, leave a comment and tell me how yours came out. This is how mine came out. See you in another video. Bye.
Rachel works here. She's my assistant. Right. I don't understand. Did something happen to Rachel?
Again, that's what we're trying to find out. What would have happened to Miss Thomas? She's not here. When did you last see Miss Thomas?
Sorry, this afternoon around 5 when I left to go home.
Okay. All right. Well, we haven't found any evidence yet that anything in the office is missing or been taken to tamper with. Could you have a look around for us?
Of course. Hang on my phone.
Sure. Take your time.